how bad the winter storm is, guys. Look at this. This is how much snow we got. That's how much we got. It's gonna get worse. Yeah, indeed, it's gonna be worse. It's supposed to get up to like 2.5 feet. Look, I cannot even open this door. This thing right here. Yeah, I discovered all this crap. I know, I've been jumping on a lot, and with a scrapper, I want to try to open this door, damn door. What the fuck is going on here? I can open this door? Ugh, give me the damn thing. I cannot open it. I want this ice out of there so I can get in the damn car. Right here, right here. I can get this thing out of here. Yes, I can. Hold on. I don't need... Hold on. This is what it looks like, guys. There's like at least tons and tons of accidents out here. Highway, there are bunch of them. There's like a lot of accidents that got started off right here. There's a lot of noise you hear the air conditioner on. Everybody's driving so slow. I cannot open. We cannot even open these now. It's stuck. I cannot get this door open, but I got it because right here it's stuck. Yeah, I got 100% proof. Much ice you guys equals this thick. This thick, supposed to be like this thick on Thursday. You're watching. Most roads is coherent in between highways. This one just went right next to it, so he was right side of it. By the way, we almost got into an accident. Almost. And the school I go to right there. Oh, there was an accident right there married to me too. And that's where I go to. That's my school right there. Looking down here, see that great piece of paper, that's walkway doing it. How long I'm gonna do? We're gonna do it in the way back home. It's clear back there, but not back there. And that is actually where the snow comes from. Got like a foot snow. Yeah, a foot. Then we got like another foot half. That's 2.5 feet. There was a lot of school counseling today too. We want to put on it. That's how much snow we got. Not just that, we're supposed to get worse than that. We're supposed to get like another foot. Watch. Storage is caught. It stops every 3 minutes. It's gonna be like another second. Maybe. Where's that way down there? There's no trucks. They're putting dirt over way over there. Like a day after tomorrow. Well, it's pretty much, yeah, it's pretty much okay. What's that gonna be? It's okay. I want to wonder that's it's gonna be higher than that,